This oversized EARTHALL Funny Welcome Mat in 71-inch by 47-inch dimensions creates a bold, inviting entrance that easily covers wide doorways or double doors. The mat uses a dense network of soft polyvinyl chloride loops and a raised border to scrape off mud, dust, and snow before it gets tracked onto your floors. A low profile of about 0.4-inch lets doors glide over it smoothly, while the grippy natural rubber backing keeps the mat firmly in place on most surfaces. Despite its heavy-duty construction, the surface feels comfortable underfoot for both people and pets, and it flexes rather than cracking or curling over time. Cleaning is straightforward because you can just shake, sweep, or rinse it with a hose, and the materials are designed to resist fading and wear from frequent use. Its neutral style and humorous greeting work well on porches, patios, garages, or indoor entryways, making it a versatile choice for busy households and a fun housewarming gift.